What's up? Welcome back again to another e-commerce tutorial video. So I've made previous tutorials on how to do Facebook Marketplace product research without software. Now here's how to do it with software. To get everything started, you are going to be needing Zik Analytics. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral link that you can use when you sign up for it. It'll earn me money if you use it to sign up, but won't cost you anything. I'm giving out free knowledge that actually works, so the least you can do is help me collect some extra coin. But you can start a 7-day trial for $1, and that's a good amount of time to probably earn 80% of the cost of an actual membership for Zik. I have the pro plan, which is $29.99 a month, but everything I need to find plenty of products is in the pro plan. I recommend the pro plan. I don't think you would need the pro plus or the enterprise. Next, we are going to head over to eBay to find another successful dropshipper, as with all the other product research videos. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to eBay. Alright, so in the search bar, I'm just going to type in a broad category and see if any dropshippers pop up. So I'm going to try garden. And so this first guy already looks like a dropshipper, so I'm just going to go ahead and click him. Alright, so he has 924 feedback. Let me see. I want to see if I can find somebody bigger. Oh wow, look at this guy. He has 267,000 feedback. So I'm going to try this guy. So what you want to do is find somebody who looks like they're drop shipping. This guy looks like he's drop shipping because he has stock pictures. So what you're going to do is copy his name and then head over to Zik Analytics. Go to the competitor research tool on the left and paste his name in the search bar. So what this just did is I just scanned this guy's entire store on eBay so I can see all of his products here listed. And now, just like with the manual product research videos that I make, I like to list products that have a minimum of 10 sales. So if you go to the left side here, down where it says 30-day sales, you could type in 10 in the minimum and go click the filter button. And now here are a list of potential products that I can list that have a minimum of 10 sales. Also, what you can do to slightly increase your profit margins, you can take things even further and copy the title of his listings and paste it into Google and see if you can find the exact source of where he's getting his products from. Okay, so now let's say you can't think of any categories to search up into eBay. You can head over to this section on Zik Analytics where it says category research. And now you have all of these categories that you can search from instead of having to think of a broad search word to look for dropshippers. So I'm gonna click a random one and see if I can find the dropshipper in one of these categories. So let's try furniture. Alright, so we're in the furniture search category, so I'm just gonna click this first one. So when you have a list of sellers in a category, you can click this button right here where it says scan seller. So now it's going to scan his entire store. So remember last time we had to copy his name and post it into the competitor research. This, you just had to click that button and it'll scan everything. So we're looking at his entire store. Remember, minimum that I like to look for is 10 sales. So now this guy has a potential of 7 products that I can list into my store. So what I would do, take all these 7 products, post it into Facebook, exit out of that, go to the next guy. Oh look, this guy has even more. So that's another thing you can do if you can't think of a category to search in eBay. I'm not going to get into detail about how to create a listing because I've already made a tutorial on how to do that. But if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch to the end. Don't forget to leave a like on the video if you have gained any value from it. Also, if it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. It'll help me out and you'll be able to see more videos about Facebook dropshipping and all things e-commerce. Also, help me get to 1,000 subs. I'm like 20% there, so every sub counts. That's it for this video. Go out and enjoy your sea of profitable products, and I will see you in the next one.